Hey guys, welcome back to the 3100 build series. It's episode 13. If you watched the last video, I replaced my oil pan gasket, and as you can see, it is back up on the lift, leaking in the front for I think the third time. But this time, I actually think I found the issue. If you see, this side on the timing cover is wider than that side. There's a gap right there. And let's see if I can catch this on camera. But that moves. So that is not supposed to do that. So how it's looking right now is I have to drop the truck. Let me zoom back out. Drop the truck and pull all the pulleys off and replace that timing cover. But luckily, I had a small block Chevy block over here. Just pulled this timing cover off of it. I'm about to sandblast it, paint it black. I have to get the seals and everything still. But this is gonna be a long, not fun process to get this all off. Probably gonna have to pull the whole front clip off. But there's a show in 2 weeks that I'm hoping to try and get to. But this time I did buy 2 separate gaskets, water pump gaskets, but I got 2 oil pan gaskets, both Velcro. Got the 1880, and then also got a bunch of this. But then I believe that's the part number. I think that's it. So the 1880 down here has the thick front seal and thick rear seal. I believe this is just normal rear and front down here, but the pan did not want to come off. Did get bent a little bit. I'm gonna have to hit all that flat again, but well, just thought I'd give an update. It's not a fun process, but it's gonna have to be done to get it to stop leaking. So it is what it is. But I don't know if I showed in the last one. I did get hangers put in up here. I know I showed I got the torque converter lockup, got a new pan with the drain plug on it this time. But gonna have to drop the truck, pull the front clip off, maybe lift the engine out just a little bit, pull all the harmonic balancer off, all the pulleys, everything. Get this all situated. Hopefully that finally fixes it, because I don't want to have to pull this pan off for like the 5th time. So, yeah. Alright, it's been a couple hours since that last clip. Everything's pulled apart. And here is the culprit. I guess that spot weld right there just broke. The one down there too. So it's just not letting that seal properly. So got everything pulled apart. I have to get the seal for that, and then I have to get new water pump seals, and then I have to reassemble it all. So I got the new timing cover out here that's being painted black with some VHT heat paint. So that's gonna be dry by the time I finish that, and then get it all back assembled. Hopefully no more leaks. and then I can finally get back to driving it around. So, all right, it's a couple days later. I gotta clean up around that a little better, but everything's pulled apart. Got all the new parts in. I'm gonna do an engine flush because there was a little bit of stuff at the bottom of the oil pan. I don't know, it wasn't metal, so I don't know what exactly it is. I bought the motor used, pulled out of an old Corvette, so I'm gonna do a engine flush. I need a new oil filter for that, and I got some 10W30, some more 10W30, so I can flush it and put new motor in it. And then got a seal for the timing cover and gasket. So got all the parts, time to put it back together. So as you can see, everything's all put back together up here, all the pulley systems and everything. I do have to put the belts back on, but everything's back together up here. So I just gotta throw some coolant in it, put the belts back on, then everything up here is done, and then I just have to lift the truck up and put the oil pan back on. So almost done. All right, as you can see, everything's back together again. So hopefully this fixes the issue, but thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and go follow the Instagram for this truck down below. Links in the description.